Hello, and thank you so much for watching. This is Melanie Engel of Flamingo Beach Realty, the premier luxury brokerage here in this gorgeous Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today, I'm about to show you one of my new exclusive listings. It's called Casa Colibri. We are in Playa Flamingo in Mar Vista, a gated community, and we are in the Dos Rios section. This beautiful property is surrounded by parrots, as you can hear, and beautiful jungles. I cannot wait to show you. Please enjoy this beautiful property tour with us today. Welcome to Dos Rios 53, otherwise known as Casa Colibri, which is hummingbird in Spanish. This beautiful home has an industrial tropical feel to it. You've got special concrete floors, concrete ceilings, concrete walls, and a lot of wood finishes to warm it up. Just to the right of the front door, you come down a couple of steps and you arrive at the social area. I love it because it's truly an indoor-outdoor living. This teak ceiling carries right from the inside to the outside. Here you've got plenty of space in the kitchen and dining, an outside dining, and a beautiful outdoor living room as well. The outdoor area is truly a tropical haven. It's truly paradise. You're surrounded by tropical jungle, beautiful plants. You've got your pool, and literally, I cannot see another home or another person in sight. The current sellers live here with their 3 children. Right at the front of Mar Vista is La Paz School, and Korea is just down the street. This is a perfect place for families. Here they've left this as their play area, but there's plenty of room if you want to build a whole garden here, or even if you wanted to build a guest house. What's really great about this property is to the left here of your backyard is all green zone, so it's completely private. Right above the pool is a monkey corridor. Imagine dining every day with monkeys and parrots. Check out this kitchen. It's got beautiful stone countertops. I love the unique color of the cupboards. And again, from here, indoor-outdoor living, and everything you can see is jungle. And from here, I actually see the hummingbirds. The home comes fully furnished with everything you see. On this main social area, you also have a half bathroom and the laundry room. Let's go check out the sleeping quarters. Come on. There's a skylight over the stairs. How cool is that? This home is 3,229 square feet. There is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The first guest bedroom is a queen bed, a wall of closets, and beautiful windows that overlook the gardens. Here's guest bedroom number 2. It currently has a single bed, but it has enough room for a queen. Again, windows for lots of natural light and a wall of closets. Guest bedroom number 3. All kids got the same size bedroom. This one does have a queen bed, wall of closets, and beautiful flowers outside. I love the fuchsia ones. They're called bougainvillea. Can you tell pink's my favorite color? These 3 guest bedrooms currently share this long bathroom. It has 2 sinks, plenty of space, but if you wanted to add an extra bathroom, there is space just at the end. From the large guest bathroom, you'll find this extra room. Here they have it set up as a TV room with an air conditioning. This also will make a great office. On the end of the jungle side, you're going to find the master suite. Here you have incredible views of greenery. You can actually see the mountains. You have a king bed with beautiful furniture, and you have a very special detail in the bathroom. And your very own indoor-outdoor shower. Imagine with the fresh air. Here in Costa Rica, the weather is always delicious. You never have to worry about being cold. Dos Rios 53 is located in Mar Vista. Mar Vista is a gated community with 4 different sections. It's 750 acres and is surrounded by these beautiful, majestic mountains. It's only a couple-minute drive to very popular beaches like Playa Brasilito, Playa Flamingo, and Playa Conchal. It's also super close to international schools, hospitals, medical, everything you need to make this full-time residence here in Costa Rica. And if you're just coming for holidays, about 20% of the community does do vacation rentals. Mar Vista has this fabulous air-conditioned gym. They have all the equipment you need to stay in shape and be able to rock your bathing suit at the beach. Are you into the latest craze of pickleball? There's 8 courts. There's also tennis courts. They have daily matches here. Casa Colibri has such a peaceful, relaxing vibe. You're definitely going to feel pura vida here. If you would like this relaxing vibe to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you and explain to you all about how you can make this paradise yours. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. Pura vida.